Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. The day, and almost 18% for the week, after yesterday breaking through the United States $40,000 mark in a strong way. The strong bullish action led to a flurry of leveraged short BTC positions being liquidated in the market. According to data from CoinGlass, liquidations reached a peak during the 12-hour period from noon to midnight on Monday, when United States $119 meters in BTC short positions were liquidated, as the price surged well above the United States $40,000 level. According to the crypto research and investment firm CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw inflows of United States $36 meters last week, despite the tensions in Ukraine, which turned into a full-scale war on Thursday. Out of this total, United States $17 meters were added to Bitcoin investment products, marking its fifth consecutive week of inflows, the firm wrote. It's worth noting that the inflows were smaller than a week ago, when United States $109 meters flowed into digital asset investment products in total, and United States $89 meters of those went to Bitcoin-backed products. Commonalized Autonomous Organization, DAO, working to build open-source vertical takeoff and landing airplane, VTOL, aircraft and air taxi protocol, who almost lost all his Ethereum, ETH, in what he called a social engineering scam, shows how Web3 scams are perpetrated. It started with a user called Hackshine who reached out to Thomas.eth on Discord, showing their interest in Arrow and offering to help. Hackshine then introduced Thomas to Lin, who is said to be passionate about VTOLs and working on a metaverse project. After multiple exchanges, Lin then mentioned that they launched their staking app and offered to send Thomas.eth 2 different non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Things then got tricky because while Thomas asked to have the NFT sent to his hot wallet, Lin wanted to send it to his primary wallet. When Thomas asked to read through the contract before the NFT were sent to his main wallet, Lin started getting pushy. Thomas then realized that the tokens he approved were not Armstrong ETH, but rather OV's ETH, and that on his main address, almost all of his ETH was sitting in OV. His saving grace was that he had opted to move the NFT to a new ETH address. The altcoin above the 200-day MA, the price could attempt to enter the triangle pattern, indicating the current breakdown was a bear trap. Currently, the MANA price exchanges hand at $2.38, with an intraday gain of 3.32%. Technical indicator: the MANA price trading below the daily MA LINE 20, 50, 100, and 200 maintains a bearish tendency. Moreover, the sellers have recently reclaimed the 200-day MA, providing an extra edge to short sellers. The supertrend indicator maintains a negative bias in the daily time frame chart. Despite a lower low formation in price action, the RSI indicator slope maintains its low at 40%. This indicates weakness in selling momentum, bolstering buyers to wrest control from them. Resistance level: $2.83, $3.48 support level, $2.4, $2 in second use. Web3 hackers are getting. Politics and economics were also present, but without stigmatization. We discussed ideas without judging those who brought them. Last but not least, the author quotes Munes Darius and Dermanus. The fundamental thing here is to understand the timing. There are many ideas, from WEB3, that are going to happen, but it is difficult to know exactly when, because they depend on mass adoption, or on certain technologies that need better development. The Casa Voltaire mystery: what happened in that house in Palermo, Buenos Aires. The original article's author couldn't find enough information about the founder's time there. Is there a reason for that? The article quotes an anonymous programmer. Low-profile personality is one explanation, but also security issues, and not raising your head at a time when regulations and tax burden on the sector are supposed to increase. Its value went from $1.6 billion to $7 billion, the same price as the New York Times. At the market's peak, the company was worth $12 billion. with its own tokens totaling around $6 billion. Decentraland, strictly a DAO, is the first crypto unicorn in Argentina. Quotes from the protagonists. The article quotes Demian Briner, Open Zeppelin's CEO and co-founder, the Mana buyers, trying to reclaim the 200-day mod. The 24-hour trading volume in the Decentraland token is $408 million, indicating a 34.5% gain. On March 6, the Decentraland Mana price gave a bearish breakout of the symmetrical triangle pattern. The altcoin spent the next 3 days retesting the breached support trendline. The renewed selling has dumped the altcoin below the $2.34 and 200-day MA. If the sellers retain trend control, the traders can expect a 15% freefall, hitting the $2 psychological level, followed by a $1.71 in contrast to the bearish thesis of buyers pushed. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done before Web3 becomes fully functional. Security is arguably the biggest challenge, as regular media reports of Web3 hacks highlight. Web3 can only be successful if the current security challenges are solved, making it nearly impossible for hackers to steal user funds. A recent Twitter thread shared by Thomas, the founder of Vero, a Decentraland. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland price prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland Mana prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.